As floodwaters swallow neighborhoods, frustrated Sarasota residents blame development. Harold Tribu. Nay. Frustration and outrage accompanied devastating photos of flooded neighborhoods on social media in the days that followed Debbie's deluge. Below are your comments. Remember Florida at one time submerged? During the 70s, Florida began a building boom known as the Horizon 2000. This is where the east and west coast meet in the center of the state. In other words, building on the coastline became so full, builders started moving in state to gather our land for development. Governments allowed developments to be erected on wetlands and natural runoffs. Development is the main cause for water runoff patterns. John Anderson, Florian and county singer, sings about it with the song Seminole Wind. And climate change. Yes, climate change does exist and it is here. You can expect more flooding. This time was only a topical storm. Governor disaster made Neil Reinford a county commissioner. Both need to go. The governor terms out, so he is gone next time. We can't have commissioners that fight the citizens that beg a pled not to allow so much growth and density. They need to create better stormwater basins, relieve traffic congestions. One of the best ways is to slow way down development and decrease density way down. Governor Disaster takes great pride in the overbuilding that's ruining Florida. We are livid and hung out to dry, but because of ridiculous culture wars, people in this town continue to vote for commissioners who are owed by #big development, mostly because they've been endorsed by people like Gruters and DeSantis. Addiction to money is the worst addiction of all, because it ruins other people's lives more than your own. No doubt the past decade has ruined the Sarasota, Manatee County area with overdevelopment and zero consequences to local politicians and developers for an antiquated infrastructure and storm drainage. The millions of gallons of wastewater flowing into the bay from failed sewage lift stations is a RFECT set up for red tide. Paradise is turning into a nightmare along this coast. Everyone wants to be on the coast, until now. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.